Did you know that the acceptance rate at some of the world's most renowned international universities is often less than 10%? Yep, it's like vying for a spot in a space mission. Competitive and thrilling. Yeah, that was deep. Anyways, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Preeta Kolkar and today we are diving into a topic that can be the key to unlocking your dreams of studying abroad. Tip 1. Get clarity. Think of your statement of purpose as a roadmap. Clearly state your academic and career goals and do so briefly. Admission officers have a lot to read, so make every word count. Tip 2. Personalization. Just as you'd address a gift to a dear friend, tailor your SOP to each university. Highlight their unique offerings and explain how they align with your aspirations. It's like a personalized invitation to join their academic community. Tip 3. Show, don't tell. Instead of simply stating your qualities, use specific examples to demonstrate them. Don't just say you're a problem solver. Narrate a real-life situation where you showcased this skill. Let me share a quick real-life story of my friend that illustrates the impact of a strong SOP. When applying to international universities, she knew her passion for sustainable development and that it needed a spotlight. So, she shared an experience of organizing a recycling campaign on campus. She detailed how she navigated challenges, collaborated with diverse groups, and made a genuine environmental impact. This story showcased her problem-solving skills, leadership, and commitment. Qualities universities seek. Tip 4. Genuine passion. Passion is like a magnet. It draws people in. Express your genuine enthusiasm for the program and the university. Your excitement will resonate with the admission committee. Tip 5. Clear academic fit. Explain how your academic background and experiences have prepared you for success in the chosen program. Highlight relevant coursework, projects, or research. Now, let's pivot our focus to something equally important: ensuring your comfort and well-being during your international journey. I mean, there is nothing to worry about this one as Amber has got your back. Discover one of the premium student accommodation platforms available. Your perfect home away from home awaits, offering top-notch apartments with unparalleled amenities and ideal locations. Now, here's why securing student accommodation in advance is a wise choice. It gives you optimal choices, reduces your stress, helps you with visa assistance, and you can plan your budget better. Choose what aligns with your lifestyle and explore the link in the description below. Tip 6. Financial planning. Budgeting is like plotting coordinates on a map. Research the cost of living in your chosen destination, including accommodation, food, transportation, and entertainment. It's all about financial peace of mind. Now, how can one do this? Very simple. You can track your financial record using a template. It provides a structured framework for tracking income, expenses, and overall financial health monthly. It includes months, which divides the year into manageable segments. Plans. It outlines your financial goals and strategies for each month. Facts. Keep the records of actual income and expenses as they happen. Income. It lists all sources of money coming in. Expenses, which keeps a track of your spending in various categories. And balance, which calculates the surplus or deficit at the end of each month. And there you have it, your guide to creating a strong statement of purpose and finding a comfy home. Before we sign off, guess what? Stay tuned for our next video as we uncover the compelling reasons to study abroad. See you soon with more awesome stuff. Bye!